deal with that. When it comes to Manisha, I would say that even from her cards, she doesn't have very good cards towards her, but at the same time, though this card is not good, this card does show that she is very shocked, because with this card she did feel that, maybe I and Elvish had a great bond, but this is the kind of card that things went really terrible between them, to an extent that it was such a huge shock for Manisha, because she felt that I did not expect Elvish to behave like this. I thought that he would be nice, respectful, but the way that he has behaved with me, it is not digestible. Like, I am not surprised because I have seen how he can behave with people, but I thought that, he would kind of not behave like this with me. But this card shows that, of course, things did not go like that, and currently, this card shows that she still feels really not so nice about their situation. But with this card, she does feel that all of a sudden, out of nowhere, their friendship or their bond got disrupted. And even with this card shows that Manisha does feel that Elvish has kind of cheated on her, because this card shows that if there were, let's say, work deals, then this card showed that Manisha feels that Elvish cheated on me, because, let's say, behind he went behind my back and collected the money that should have been divided between us. Let's say if there were projects for us, then she feels that he did dirty. Like, Manisha feels that Elvish has been really bad towards me. He's been dirty towards me, because I feel that he has spread some negative rumors about me that has affected my work, that has affected my life. Although this card does show that even here it shows that Manisha is not interested in him, to an extent that with this card, even Manisha is coming from a place of ego, or we can say that she's coming from a place that if you are this way, if you are not going to be nice and respectful towards me, I can be even worse than who you can. Because her cards are such that when I am nice, I'm very nice towards the people. But if you're bad to me, then even I can be worse than that, because she's like that. It's what you give is what you get. But I do say that what is truly sad for Manisha is this, that she feels that